Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Jay from Alissa and Jay. If you're noticing any change in the audio quality from before, this is because I'm using a new setup to record my audios in the studio. This is my solution. I'm going to say it right away. DJI microphone 2. This is the wireless version 2. This coupled with Rode VideoMicro has changed the way I'm recording audio from now. Right now I'm recording the video with DJI Pocket 3. And also I'm recording the audio from this microphone. This actually also records audio directly into the video as well. As in, like, I can separately record two different audios, one baked into the video as well as one recording internally into this microphone device. I was using this one to record audio in the field. This is Zoom H1N, and I don't have to use this anymore. This is so big, so cumbersome, and I need to use this kind of setup to, remove the wind noise. DJI comes with such a tiny wind muffle. You can see the size difference, right? So it has made my life so much easier in the first way, this reduction in size. And also, DJI gives me the option to connect this Rode VideoMicro directly into this pocket recorder to get even better sound quality, because this DJI wireless mic is actually best suited to just stick it on your shirt and record your audio while you're doing something else. Let's say if I want to record a directional audio, then I will not be able to do it with this kind of a mic unless I put the mic very close to the audio source. That means I need to use a shotgun mic. In that case, this DJI microphone is allowing me to connect such microphone using this 3.5mm jack and get a really good audio. This is something crazy, and that's exactly how my setup is going to be from now on for studio recording as well as the field recording as well. So this is an amazing setup. This microphone is also durable in a way that I have been compressing this microphone into very tight cramped spaces when I carry it around, and it hasn't broken on me. I've been using it since this microphone was released, and I'm getting amazing results even with 24-bit audio output. Build quality wise, it's great. Features wise, it's excellent. On top of all these things, it's got one more trick up its sleeve. This can actually introduce noise reduction directly into the microphone. Right now, I'm recording the audio with noise reduction turned off. This audio is being recorded with noise reduction turned on. You can see the difference. There is this air condition blowing air directly into the microphone, as well as there's the computer fan noise and the cooler fan noise, like a lot of noise around this room. This audio is definitely not isolated. Given this situation, I'm glad that this microphone is giving me amazing output. I used to use this microphone in the past. This is Shure MV7, which has got this USB micro connector. This is also a great microphone if you were to record content like CoffeeZilla. But I don't think this is any more relevant than this one, because this is giving me the best output and also saves me so much time in the post-processing. Just one click to introduce voice isolation, and it's definitely saving me so much of time. Welcome back to this channel. This is Alissa and Jay, and we do travel vlogs. We take our cameras out in the field and record good quality videos and audios, and I'm in a dilemma to figure out which is the best audio solution for me to record audio inside the studio as well as outside in the fields. If you were to use this setup, it would only cost you very little compared to these expensive gear. These are not necessary anymore for me. If you guys were to invest in any audio recording device, you should definitely go for this. So my suggestion for anybody who is new to audio recording devices, and if you are in search to find a right audio recording solution, I think this is a great option for you before you invest in something very big like other YouTubers. One more suggestion I would give if you were to record audio in the field is that you turn off the noise reduction, because when you turn off the noise reduction, you get the ambient sound as well. Maybe you want to use that in the post in the future. That flexibility will be lost if you were to turn on the noise reduction. So my setup is like turn on the noise reduction while I'm recording the audio in the studio, and turn off the noise reduction while I'm recording the audio at the field, so that I get good amount of ambience, which I can level in the post using the voice isolation feature from DaVinci Resolve, and I can set the different levels for the vocals as well as the ambient sound. That is the flexibility I get using this kind of a recording device, which is able to record 32-bit float. One more thing you should not forget is that this microphone does not come with a 32-bit float audio recording by default. You will have to enable this in DJI Pocket 3 or any other software that this can be connected with. That's it for the video today. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe to this channel. I will be bringing in more audio recording solutions in the future because I have ordered one specific product to record audio from the studio. That's being shipped to my house soon, so please stay tuned for that. Two more types of audio content that will be coming up in this channel in the future are one for studio replacement for this setup, which is going to be recorded directly into the computer, and second is field recording device using the shotgun mic. So two more mic product videos are gonna come into this channel, so please stay tuned. Also, our channel is mainly dedicated for travel vlogs, so if you like travel kind of content and if you like to make such content, I will give you a lot of tips in this channel, so please stay tuned for that as well. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.